I'm going to show you how to make a mini book, something similar to this one, with a one signature binding and board covers front and back. So let's have a go. So first of all, you need to make a template for yourself, and I did this by using this measuring mat and a ruler, and I made a template, and then I put the template onto this mailing board cardboard and drew around it, and this is what we use to make our book board covers. Sorry, not covers. Is it covers? Oh, the front and back of the book. And this is what we're going to cover this particular book with, this paper here. So I've already put the cardboard on and drawn around the edges of both. And what we need to do is extend this by about this much. Well, it's only roughly. It's just so that the paper can wrap around on all four sides. So let's say about there, and about there, and about here. Let's cut this one out. And now we need to glue these on. So I'm using this book binding glue. And you don't need to use too much. Now what we need to do is cut the corners of the paper off, but we need to leave a couple of millimetres to allow for the depth of the cardboard. So don't go right up to the cardboard, leave a little space. And now we need to fold these sides in, and we use the glue here. Fold it up and press down. So we do the two short sides first, and then we do the two long sides. Make sure you really curl that over and press it down. When you finish doing that to both of the covers, they will look like so. And the next thing to do is to cover this area. So I've already cut two out for these ones here that I previously made. So the thing needs to do now is to glue this on. And make sure you get it straight. And just hold it still for a few seconds. Okay, so the next stage is so we now need to put in the hinged part. So I've already cut this to size, and what you need to do is allow for part of this to come over the front, you can see in the book here. So it can wrap around. But you need enough space to sew the signature into. Now, which way do these go? Which way? That goes up that way. That goes up that way. So I've put the backing into place there. I now need to glue the covers. So I need to put glue down this side here. Not too much. And try to use this grid to try and keep it straight, which is what I always have a problem with, especially when I can't see straight. Anyway, I'll do the best I can. Okay, so the same here. I need to put glue down this side here. Oops. Just put a thin bit down there. And leave a space. It's about there, I think. Just hold that down for a few seconds or minutes. Right, what we need to do now is bring this bit over at the top and the bottom. So I'll put a little bit of glue, like so. Bring it over, hold it down. Oops, stuck my finger to it. Okay, and the same for the bottom part. Oh, it's very sticky. Right, now, I've already cut this piece. This is mulberry paper, by the way. It's a very strong paper, but it's almost see-through. Here's some other examples. There's an orange one. So it's like a handmade paper, mulberry paper, and yeah, you can see the fibres in it. And what else have we got? This type might not be good because it's handmade paper, but it's quite thick and fibrous. So you can experiment, but I'd say go for mulberry paper or some very thin fabric. Right, what we need to do now is cover it over like that section. So this time we don't have anything hanging over the ends there. So put a little bit of glue down here, here, a few bits down the middle. It's probably too much. And just lay it in place. Gently tap it down, and then use your bone folder or something similar so you can get right in the edge there. Very sticky. I think I used too much glue. So I need to let that dry now. But as you can see, a little book is beginning to take shape. But I think I will leave the adding the pages when I make the signature, I think I'll leave that for another video rather than rush it through now. So I hope you enjoyed that, and yeah, bye for now.